The third most pyramid of Eltonian is called as pyramid of energy. Now, pyramid of energy is, as we said, pyramid of number takes into account the number of producers, consumers, decomposers. Pyramid of biomass takes into account the living material. In the similar way, it names itself, it indicates pyramid of energy. So, it will indicate the amount of energy which is being produced or being transferred from one trophic level to the another trophic level in a given pond ecosystem. The amount of energy utilized and amount of energy being produced at each trophic level in the pyramid. Now, all the pond ecosystem, the amount of energy utilized or amount of energy produced is almost the same. So, almost all pond ecosystem, forest ecosystem, and any sort of ecosystem, the pyramid of energy is always in the upright position. Energy content which is measured in any ecosystem, the energy is measured is expressed in terms of kilocalories per meter square per year. Okay, this is the unit which is commonly the energy content of the organism is measured in an ecosystem is measured by using kilocalories meter square per year. And here one more is the instrument which is used to measure the content of energy content in the plants is measured by an instrument called as bomb calorimeter. This is very important. This will be multiple choice. The instrument which is used to measure the amount of energy in the plant is measured by an instrument called as bomb calorimeter. Like we have thermometer, all that. Here also amount of energy content in the plant is measured by an instrument called as bomb calorimeter. So, pyramid of energy is always upright position in any sort of ecosystem. So, here these are the different three types of pyramids which are also called as ecological pyramids or Eltonian pyramids. Here you are supposed to take into consideration all the shapes, different types of shapes in different types of ecosystem, though maybe it is pyramid of number or biomass or the energy. So, this is about the pyramids or ecological pyramids, or we can also call it as Eltonian pyramids, right? This is about ecological pyramids. Next we will study about the energy flow in an ecosystem.